Welcome to Kumba Software DPAA tutorials. This tutorial is useful for learning how to clean up temporary files and unneeded files from your appliances in one convenient screen. So be sure to set your video playback to high definition, and though some visual details of DPAA may have changed since this video was created, the functionality will be the same. So in this feature, it doesn't really matter what domain we have selected, just as long as we have one or more appliances selected. We go over to the Files tab, and there are three subtabs in the Files tab, and the one we're looking for is the Cleanup Files tab. This is a very convenient thing to do prior to, say, upgrading a firmware or doing something where you need to just clean out some old files from a system. So basically what the system is looking for is old log rotation files, export files, you may find some image files depending on where you look. So temporary files will also be cleaned up if you have something in there. So we have a good number of files here, and we can choose to select, a handful of them like so, and we can delete them. So I can use the hamburger menu and delete, and then we can remove just that set of files from the list, or we can select them all or select none. And then we also have the option to delete here, which will clean up the files from this entire set of files from this screen. So what we're just doing is we're making it very convenient and easy for us to delete files from any number of appliances that are out there. Now, if you change an appliance selection, it will go out and read those sets of files that it needs to remove from that appliance as well. So if you want to clean them up one at a time or many at a time, it's your choice on how you do about doing that. But as you can see, it hunts down all the old files, the old CLI logs and things, and then without selecting anything or selecting all, I can just simply delete all these files very, very quickly, and you get the opportunity to see which ones you want to delete. So if you don't want to delete any, you can select the ones you want to remove, and that way maybe not all of them will be removed. But what it doesn't delete is it doesn't delete an active log file or anything like that. It just cleans up those files as it finds them in there. But sometimes as you're cleaning up files, you may find that file rotations are happening quickly, and if you go back to another appliance, then you may find a file or two that has shown up since you last deleted. So this file has rotated on this appliance. We deleted them just a moment ago, so it's not like the tool is broken. It's just that sometimes these files rotate very quickly, and it may be a chasing game to get them all cleaned out. But the file cleanup utility is very convenient for getting those files cleaned up very quickly. That's all we have for this tutorial. If you want to see more, go out to www.kumbasoft.com. Go to the Features and Tutorials section. There are over 100 videos to watch to learn all the features of the DataPower Administrator's Assistant. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.